I'm going to teach you how to see your Expedia membership level. Start by opening a web browser or the Expedia app and heading to expedia.com. On desktop, you'll see the main navigation across the top. On mobile, the layout is more compact, but everything you need is still there. Either platform works for this walkthrough. Now, sign in to your Expedia account. On desktop, look for the Sign In option at the top right. In the app, tap the profile icon. Enter your login details and complete any verification prompts that appear. You need to be signed in because membership information is linked to your personal account and won't display while you're browsing as a guest. Once you're signed in, click your profile or account icon. On desktop, it's often your initials or a person's silhouette in the upper right. In the app, it's usually in the bottom or top navigation. This opens your account menu, where you can access bookings, payment methods, and loyalty details. From that menu, open the One Key or Rewards section. Many accounts now show One Key, which is the unified loyalty program across Expedia brands. If you still see a section labeled Rewards, choose that. It leads to the same place for your membership information. If the option isn't immediately visible, scroll the menu or tap View Account to expand more links. Here, you'll find your membership level or status displayed clearly. It may show a tier such as Blue, Silver, Gold, or Platinum, depending on your recent eligible activity with Expedia. This status helps determine the savings and perks you receive when you book. Take a moment to review your rewards. You should see your One Key cash balance, which is the reward currency you can apply at checkout on eligible bookings. Right next to it, you'll typically find a summary of benefits tied to your current tier, like access to member prices and, at higher levels, additional perks that can enhance your trips. If you're unsure how something works, look for a Details or Terms link on the page that explains what qualifies and how to use your balance. Finally, check your progress toward higher membership tiers if a tracker is shown. Expedia often includes a progress bar indicating how many more qualifying nights, trips, or dollars you need to reach the next level. This is helpful for planning future travel, so you can time bookings and redemptions to make the most of your benefits. And that's all there is to it. By signing in, opening your account menu, and heading to One Key or Rewards, you can see your status, balance, and benefits in one place.